In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can disable the camera button on iPhone 17. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first, go to the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down and find this camera section over here. You can use the search bar and search for camera and open the app over here. Click this option and then it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click camera control. You'll find it under system settings. Click this option and here you'll see this launch camera option. You have to simply click this option over here and then you have to choose none. Once you do so, it's already going to disable this camera button for you. Just go back and then you can also choose this double click option over here and it's going to just slow down the procedure. Or you can just go to the accessibility on the bottom. Click this accessibility option and turn off your camera control by clicking over here. Once you click this option, it's going to turn off the camera control option for you. Once it's gray, it means it's turned off. And now the button is going to be disabled and it's not going to work until you turn it on again. And that's how you disable the camera button on your iPhone 17.